Look at him. Now then, children, let's not make a fuss. Look at him.
Are you sure he's really one of us?
Family likeness isn't strong. Still you won't poke fun. All of you must get along. He's a special son. Come along, all of you now, and follow me. But stay close at all times so you don't get trodden on. And beware of the cat.
Look at him. The legs are bendy and the knees are not. Look at him.
That was obviously a chill shot.
Bet the neighbors scream and howl when they see our brew. He's a balanced waterfowl.
Why are you so rude?
Ooh, touchy. Hello, Maureen. Hello, Ida.
Oh, Drake. What a splendid brood. The big catch out on. Whoa!
Look at him. Come on, Ida, tell me what went wrong. Look at him. Did you leave him in the egg too long? I honor you for your pluck, strictly ingenue. He may be no pin-up duck. Neither, dear, are you. Well, I must be going. I heard the children from the farmhouse are throwing potato chips into the water. It sounds dress chic. I don't want to miss out.
Would you look at me? What's it matter?
Isn't it obvious?
Why do I make you all laugh and scoff?
Have you seen your reflection?
Why don't we play with your fishes?
Because you scare them off. Wah, 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 wah. Wah, 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 wah.
Look at him. You admit he is a bit extreme.
Now our parents will start quibbling.
Him, just a variation on a theme.
He's a truly ugly sibling.
Want to see my son left out on the limb? Why is it that everyone has to jeer?
There's your answer, boy, Turkey.